Okay folks, welcome back to another video. This is from clip 98 grade C from the Maths Watch CD work. Today's date is 9 to the 12th 2013. Today's topic is another GCC topic, a very popular one, recurring decimals. I'm devoting this video to my class in school, 11S6. Okay folks, I hope you're paying attention and learning from this video. Okay, here we go. Here's the first example. We have 0.4, okay, and it's that dot on top means that the 4 goes on forever. Okay, that means it's a recurring decimal. So if you wanted to write here, for example, as this 0.44444, and that goes on. That's what that dot indicates there. So that's our decimal point, and that's our dot to indicate that this 4 will go on forever until infinity. Now the task here is we need to change this recurring decimal into a fraction. So let's have a look how we approach this question. So the first part is to write 0.4, the dot on top, as a decimal number, 0.444, write a couple of them down. We're going to say let x, let this recurring number equal to x. Okay, now we want to get rid of the recurring part and turn it into a whole number. Let's have a look at the technique. So we're now going to consider if we had 10x. So we're calling this decimal, this number here, x. What happens when we multiply this number by 10? What do we get? We get 4.444444, carry on forever. Now this is good because these 4's all line up, and if I was to take them away, these two lines, we end up with just the 4 here. So what we need to do now, we said let the original number equal x. We multiply the original number by 10. In some questions we need to multiply by 100 or 1000 in order for these numbers, once we've multiplied it, for the numbers then to match up with the original number. So here they match up straight away just by doing one step, by multiplying this original number by 10. So we now get 4.4444. The idea is to eliminate this part of the question. So this part of the question, we need to get rid of it. So this is one way of doing it, by multiplying the original number by 10, which moves the decimal point. So we get an answer of 4.444. Now, let's take them away. So 10x, take away x. So we're going to take away up. 10x take away x is equal to 9x. So 4.4444 minus 0.4444 will give us a nice simple whole number, which is 4. Because all these decimal parts, they take each other away, cancel each other out. Because 4 times 4 is nothing, that's nothing, 4 times 4 is nothing. So we get a string of zeros. So we get just a nice whole number here of 4. So we're nearly there now. So this x is this is our recurring decimal number. So now we're going to, as you can see here now, the recurring decimal number is all gone. We got a whole number 9 and a whole number 4. What we need to do now is to rearrange it to make x the subject. So x has been timed by 9. Opposite time by 9 is divide by 9. So x now is equal to 4 over 9. So remember, our x originally was the decimal number. Okay. So now we have truly changed this decimal number and represented it as a fraction with, we got 4 there and a 9 at the bottom. Okay, so thank you very much for joining us on this first question here, 0.4, where we have only one digit that's recurring. In the next video we'll have a look at when we have 2 digits recurring, and hopefully when we have 3 digits recurring, how we deal with those. So when you have 1 digit recurring, we multiply it by 10 only, and we do the taking away to work out, to eliminate the decimal portion of the question. So we lift with nice whole numbers, we rearrange and gives us our answer. So x is equal to 4 9. Thank you very much folks, please join us on the next video.